I don't know if you can hear that or not. There's thousands of them. Snow geese, that is. And then something else that has been coming in all day that I've seen today is the blackbirds. Billions and billions and billions of blackbirds. Insane. They're everywhere, man. These guys are flying in low. Boy, I could have me some lunch with this. They're all going right over there. And I'm gonna pause it and swing around to the other side. Now, I don't know what's wrong with these guys. This is an old rice field. This is what it looks like, you know, your typical cut rice. But then in back of this field here is green pastures. But man, look, all those geese just sitting out there. I don't know if you can see them on here or not. These guys are causing ruckus, racket, making a bunch of racket over there. All right, guess I got to get back to work now. Actually, it's lunchtime. I got to eat.